Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set up app timers on Android 16. Let's begin. So first, let's navigate into our Settings tab. And now we want to scroll down a little until we'll see a section called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now let's hit it. Now let's scroll down a little, and now we can go to App Limits. In here we can create an app limits or app timers for certain applications. So as you can see, we can scroll and we'll see every single thing. So let's say that maybe I'm addicted to Android Shorts. Of course, not Android Shorts, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Rolls, or Instagram Rolls, or TikTok, whatever. Let's say I'm using YouTube for such a waste of time, so now we can hit YouTube. As you can see, I haven't used it today, luckily, but in order to add an app timer, we can simply scroll down, go to app timer, and set a timer. So I think that 50 minutes a day of a brain rot is a really good amount. Let's hit OK. As you can see, an app limit is set for 15 minutes. So after we'll use our YouTube Shorts for 15 minutes, our app will automatically disable itself and will no longer function. Until the next day, of course. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.